in 1990? How about born in the year 2000? When it comes to teaching method, during your elementary or high school days, what are the differences? There's a lot of differences, right? There have been a lot of progress and changes when it comes of the styles and methods in teaching. Education is always evolving. From manual to technical, from books to gadgets, from chalk and board to computers. In times of adjustment, teachers are always multitasking. That's why teachers are more than just mentors, guides, and supporters. Create spaces for active learning and encourage ongoing development, even outside the classroom. At this juncture, I want to talk to you about how teaching changed a lot in the 21st century. In our connected world, there's a lot of different cultures and points of view. Teachers help us to understand or to appreciate and learn the different cultures. By welcoming diversity, they make sure that everyone feels included and created in the school. With the rise of social media and online communities, social literacy has become increasingly important. The teachers help us or guide us in navigating social interaction, both online and offline. Money can sometimes be tricky to understand. But here's our teacher to help us about managing money to become a financially literate. Like, they teach us how to save and teach us how to make smart decisions with our finances. Media, cyber, and digital literacy is important for teachers to teach because they help us to stay safe and smart online. With worries about environmental issues and taking care of the environment, knowing different environmental issues is really important. Teachers encourage us how to protect our planet and how to respect our nature. Being creatively literate is really important nowadays. They motivate us to be artistic by exploring various ways to explore ourselves. In a world full of information, it is essential to be able to think critically. Teachers help us to examine information carefully and how to analyze it. So why are these things important? for teachers to teach? Well, they want or they help us to get ready for the future. Let's embrace this change and continue to inspire leaders. Tomorrow